Cool. So here is my process. I believe that's what you wanted to see for this portion. It was explanation of quantity takeoff process. So basically for this guy, for our test, of course, go to Bluebeam. We were able to scale, finding a scale on the page. For example, this one was just going to be the 1 equals 10 feet. So I was able to set that scale right there. I went up here to this first guy, was able to measure the building pad that we're doing. I believe it was just right here. I didn't really get a good explanation of it, but I followed this dotted line right here and what I believed was solid building pad, and I was able to just measure that square footage right there. I was able to find the slab thickness on one of the pages, which I believe was 5 inches. Let's see if I can find it real fast. It was further down over here. If they load, there's one of these pages that had the slab thickness. It was on the foundations I was looking at. Here's going to be the footings, and then foundation plan right there. So as at the foundation plan, I was able to see what the slab thickness was. It said it was about 5 inch thick. So I just multiplied the square footage of the building pad I found by 5 inches, and then did times, actually just did the division by 27 to convert it to cubic yards, and that was that one right there. Some of these things I feel like we didn't really go over in class fully, or I feel like these plans were a little bit weird. But other than that, other things that we did, of course, we were able to do measuring the square footage of certain materials on the foundation, not foundations, I'm sorry, elevations that we did. For example, there was, oh, I missed it. There was the exterior. Yeah, there's exterior right there. And then we were also able to do cement. That was going to be cement for the building pad as well. We did that one as well. It was a different plan, not that one. I'm not sure if I can find it again. Oh, did interior. I'm right there. I don't know if I'm going to find this. This guy right here, I did measure this guy again for the foundation plan to measure the amount of concrete for the building pad that we were doing, or building slab. Actually, that was one of the questions right there. Another thing I did was going to be for measuring the demolition of the sidewalk that they had. That was going to be an extra credit one. It was this guy right there. As you see, there's a little A symbol right there for what they're going to be removing. If you go to the legend, that's what they're going to be removing. Remove concrete pavement. So I just measured that guy for one of the questions. And I think that's basically it. Oh, we also measured this guy right here. I just got the dimensions of this guy to get the area in square feet for the roof decking. And that's basically it. As a reflection in total, for quantity takeoff, I was able to learn a lot more about, measuring what I needed to, for concrete so I could pour concrete excavation sites or ditches, and also structural foundations, reinforcing the concrete, especially with the rebars, all that kind of fun stuff. Overall, I did learn a lot in this section, a lot more than I learned when I was at Fresno City. I just feel like the section was a little bit tough in general, especially for some students I was talking to other than myself. But regardless, I think we all learned a lot from this process, and something that's going to be sticking with us for the rest of our professional career. So yeah.